This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fundamental settings so you don't chase false leads. Check device volume and mute switches, then open system settings to grant Messenger both microphone and screen recording permissions. Without both, shared screen audio is blocked. Once done, force close Messenger and relaunch it, and restart the device if permissions were updated. This ensures the app can capture and transmit audio, which is the critical prerequisite, before moving to deeper configuration. Now focus on the exact controls that route sound. In the active Messenger call, choose Share Screen and toggle the Include Device Audio or Share Audio option. This tells Messenger to capture system sounds. Next, confirm your audio output. Select device speakers or the correct Bluetooth headset in system sound settings. If another app is holding exclusive audio, disable that feature or close competing media players. Otherwise, Messenger can't access the audio stream. These steps align. Finish by validating everything in a short test call. Share your screen and play a known audio clip so you can confirm the other person hears it. If you still get no sound, toggle Messenger permissions off and on, reboot the device, then retest. This often clears permission caches. As a final troubleshooting tip, use the system screen recorder to capture a brief clip. If the recorder captures audio, the issue is Messenger specific. If not, it's a system audio configuration to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.